Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. It's really simple and easy. So this will be a two-step process where we first import all of the old mails and then we set up emails forwarding so that all new mails going to the old account will come to your new one. So let's get started. First, just open Gmail and here sign into the new account where you want to transfer all of the mails to. Once you are in this account, click on the settings in the top right and then see all settings, and here select this option accounts and imports. Then next to this option which says import mails and contacts, just click on this link, and now we need to sign into the account from which we want to import all of our mails. So I will import it from my this email. Just click on the email ID and click continue. As you can see, they have said authentication is successful. So I will close this, and now we can decide what all we want to import from this email ID. So they have options for contacts, mails and new mails for the next 30 days. So I will remove these two options, and by selecting import mail, we will get all of the mails which are currently in this account, and then to import them just click on start import, and now it's being done. Just click on OK. So this may take some time to import, and until then we will set up email forwarding from the old account to the new one. So now sign into the old account. I will quickly do that, and I want to forward all emails that come here to my new account. So again, go to settings on the top right and see all settings. Here click on this option forwarding. After that, it's the first option here. Just click on add a forwarding address. Over here, enter the email ID to which you want to forward the mails. So this should be the new one, and click on next. Now we need to confirm that we want to forward mails to this email ID. So just click on proceed. So it's done from one end, and we just confirm it from the new email ID. So I will go back. This is my new email ID, and as you can see, I have got this mail here. I just have to click on this link. After, just click on confirm. That's over here. That mails from this ID, we will go to this, and now it's done. Mail forwarding has been set up. And if I go back to my new email ID, as you can see over here under labels, I have got some new labels which is called this email at gmail.com. And if I click on this here, these are all of the mails from my old email ID which I have gotten imported. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.